Hi, I wanted to give you all just a brief overview again of how to use Blackboard and how to access sfr108 for those of you who may not have had an opportunity to come to the Academy class January 6th, or if you're new to Blackboard through the college program. So what you need to do is once you get on Blackboard, and if you can't get on Blackboard, you need to call IT, and that number is on the syllabus. But you want to get on Blackboard and click on sfr108. And then you're going to see a column over here. I'm actually going to switch to the student view so that I see exactly what you all are going to be seeing. And I suggest that everyone click on the Start Here Course Overview. It basically shows you how our program is set up with the modulars. And this is the modular Course Overview Blackboard Logistics. And there's three basic folders. The first one is the course goals, which you can read, the course organization, and then navigating Blackboard. Navigating Blackboard is a YouTube feature. It gives you some more tools as to how to use Blackboard beyond just these simple ones that I'm going to be giving you here today. So we're going to get out of that, and we're going to go back. And the next thing I wanted to show you over here on the left-hand side is class content. And this is where all of our discussions are going to, not of our discussions, these are where all of our lectures are. And it's set up the same way in a modular. So if you click on class content, you see lessons. And this is where each week, each lesson is going to be put in here. So you've got week 1, the lecture, the reading assignment, and the weekly video assignment. And if you click on the lecture, first thing that pops up is the lecture. If you just click on this button, you'll have the short lecture that is given. You go back to your reading assignments. Right now there's one reading assignment, but I'm going to be putting on a second one hopefully by the end of today. This reading assignment happens to be on file with the Fogler Library. You will have to sign onto Fogler Library using your Main Street ID and then connect with UMO Orno Access. And when you do that, the book will come up. You can either get the ebook full text or download this ebook offline. Anyhow, you want to read chapter 4. So that's how you're going to get on that. We're going to click out of that. And then here are the weekly video assignments. There's 2. This one happens to be Benefits of Trees. To activate, you just click on that. Then this is Benefits of the Community. Again, you just activate to click on that. And then in order to access your week 1 discussion, you click on this and then open week 1 discussion here. And you'll access it, hopefully. Okay, and you create your thread here. This is the description of this week's assignment. It'll be looking like this. Okay? So that's the Start Here course overview, the class content. You can also access your discussions through clicking here. This has the syllabus. This has the syllabus in all of its folders. Introduction to prerequisites, course, when it's offered, how many credits, my information. You also have the syllabus in PDF form. All right, so you have many ways of accessing the syllabus, which pretty much acts as our main guideline or guide for this semester. The other important component is announcements. Right now we don't have any announcements, but there will be announcements in the future. When you start with your discussion, this netiquette guideline is very important. I would like you all to read it at least by the next discussion. Maybe not so much here in the first discussion, because this one is more, about your readings and talking a little bit about you. But when we start getting into discussions where I'm asking you to interact with classmates, this is a great way to figure out how best to do that and achieve our highest success with our discussions. And last, I do have a separate section for e-reading. I put this on here just to make it easier for folks to access things. It's also in your class content, but I just have multiple ways of doing it. So anyhow, that's just a really quick review of SFR 108. Thanks much.